In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your TikTok Shop Seller Center account. So let's jump right in and get started. If you've decided that managing a TikTok shop isn't for you or you're simply ready to move on, following these steps will help you close your account smoothly. First, open up your preferred web browser. You'll need to visit seller.tiktok.com to access the Seller Center. Go ahead and log into your seller account using your credentials. Once you're successfully logged in and find yourself on the homepage, the next thing you're going to do is look for the My Account option. Click on it, and then you'll want to select Account Settings. Now, at this point, you may not be able to see exactly what I am seeing, especially if you're in a different stage of setting up your shop. That's perfectly all right. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you know exactly what to do, even if you haven't gotten your shop fully operational. In the Account Settings menu, you're going to look for an option that reads Close Shop Account. Once you find that, click on it. Before you proceed, TikTok will inform you that by choosing to close your shop, all of your data, products, and history associated with that account will be permanently deleted. This means that everything you've worked on within this platform will be erased and there's no turning back. So make sure that you're completely certain about wanting to delete your account before you move forward. Next up, TikTok will require you to verify your identity. This is simply a security measure to ensure that you're the one making this request. Along with the verification, there will be several boxes that you need to check. These are to confirm that you understand and agree to the terms outlined for closing your shop. Be thorough and take the time to carefully read through TikTok's shop closure policy to ensure that you're well aware of what this action entails. Once you've verified your identity and agreed to all the necessary terms, the last step is to click on Close My Shop to finalize the deletion. And there you have it. Your TikTok Shop seller account will be successfully deleted. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.